Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 19 of Building Your Own Tumbler, the Batmobile from the Dark Knight trilogy. Let's have a flick through the magazine and then we'll get to the building. We're starting on the driver's seat today, and we will be finishing that over the course of the next few builds. So we've got two drivers, two styles. Obviously the bike and the car, I would assume, but if you want to read that, feel free. A new look for Batman. No, that's the same look, isn't it? Don't know why that's different. Again, if you want to read about it, feel free. It's yeah, he's got a different cape or something, different cowl maybe. Detective Comics, Batman's history. Again, feel free to read that if you so desire. Step-by-step instructions number 19. I shall put them on the screen when we do it. It's quite simple. This one we're putting. I assume this is like the seat, bit of the seat. Putting the sides in and then some sort of top bracket. I can't tell as yet what it is. I can't place that as being part of the seat, but I'm sure when the other bits come in, it might just be the bracket and this is the actual body of the seat. It will become clear soon, but not today. Well, it might for you today, but it hasn't for me. It might when I build it. Let's get into the building. Yes, here we have all of the parts and some CP screws, of which we're just going to be using 2. So let's see if I can get 2 of those out already. It's often easier to get them out of these packets once you open them, but the resealing of the packets is a little bit trickier. So I tend to not bother a lot of the time, but that's that. That can be kept safe in my pot of used Batman screws for next time. Right, first of all, we're going to be fitting these bits to this bit. They have no screws, just little plugs that go into there for this one. That side goes in a bit like that, not quite like that though. Let me have a closer look at what I'm doing so I can see what I'm doing. There you go. So that is that side, and we've got the 2 plugs that need to locate like that. Makes sense, does things. This one then goes on the other side, and we've got the added bit to connect up on there as well. Got that and that and that all joining together like so. And then we need to add these bits. So this goes onto the top piece here, and that's where the CM screw comes into play. One of those in there. This will obviously then enable that to rotate. There's nothing keying it into any particular place. This one in the other side, exactly the same. If I can put the screw on the screwdriver, there you go. That one on there. I had it lined up and then I didn't. Now I've not got the screw again. For an easy bit, this is proving to be beyond me. There we go. That's that on there. That can be tightened down as well and will still move. That I can make a bit tighter. So, right, I'm thinking this is probably back of chair. This is going to be front bit that's going to have some padding to it. And that's probably headrest. These have got a slight shaping on the lower side, both of those. Instead of the top, which is flat. So, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll get there as the build progresses. But for now, that is another issue completed. So, thank you very much for joining me on this build. I shall see you soon for the next part. And other than that, stay safe. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.